Talk Anna.
Podcast.
Adam, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it, Anna?
Well, I was looking at some English sentences today,
Okay.
and I saw this one word everywhere.
Really? Everywhere?
Literally everywhere.
What word is it?
Well, why do people say, I would love to travel?
Ah, okay.
Or, I would help you?
Right.
And even, would you like some coffee?
Ah, the famous would problem.
Exactly. Honestly, Adam,
Yeah?
I see would all the time, but I never know what it really means.
You are definitely not alone, Anna.
Really?
Absolutely.
That makes me feel a bit better.
Yeah, many English learners understand the words around would.
True, I know the words like, travel, and coffee.
Exactly. You know the other words.
Yes, the vocabulary is easy.
But you don't understand would itself.
Totally. It feels like a ghost word.
A ghost word?
Yeah, it's just there, haunting my sentences.
Well, here is the golden rule, Anna.
I am listening.
Would isn't a tense problem.
It's not?
No, it's a situation problem.
A situation problem. Wow.
Yes, and I promise you something.
What is the promise?
You will understand the most common uses of would.
In real English conversations?
In real, everyday English conversations.
Oh, thank goodness.
But wait,
Oh no, what?
please don't panic.
Please don't tell me there are 50 grammar rules today.
Relax, Anna.
Phew, good.
There are no boring charts today.
Excellent. I hate grammar charts.
Today, we are learning through real life.
I love that.
We will use our imagination.
Painting pictures with words?
Exactly. Real conversations, not grammar textbooks.
Awesome. I am so ready.
So, let's look at the word would.
W-O-U-L-D.
Yes, would is only 5 letters.
It is a tiny word,
Very tiny.
but it causes big headaches.
True, but native speakers use it every single day.
Seriously?
All the time.
From morning to night?
From breakfast to bedtime.
Wow.
We use it in invitations.
Okay, invitations.
We use it in polite requests.
Polite requests. Got it.
We use it in imaginary situations.
Imaginary. Like dreaming?
Exactly like dreaming.
I like that.
And when talking about preferences.
Preferences. Things we like more than other things.
Spot on, Anna.
So it's basically the most useful word ever.
Pretty much.
I need to master this.
And you will. Let's start with part 1.
Okay, part 1.
Would for desire or preference.
Desire.
Close your eyes for a second, Anna.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Now listen to my voice.
I am listening.
I would love a cup of coffee.
Coffee.
Now, open your eyes.
Okay,
Do I have coffee right now?
let me look. No, your hands are empty.
Exactly. I have 0 coffee.
Sad for you.
Very sad. So what am I expressing?
You are expressing something you want.
Yes, a deep desire.
I would love a cup of coffee.
Precisely. I don't have it, but I want it.
So would paints a picture of a desire.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
I can see the steam rising from the cup in my mind.
Perfect visual.
So it's just wanting something.
Yes, but it sounds nicer than just saying, I want coffee.
I want coffee sounds a bit demanding.
Like a grumpy boss.
Yeah, get me coffee.
But I would love some coffee.
Sounds warm, friendly.
Exactly.
Give me another example.
Okay, imagine you were at a restaurant.
A nice restaurant?
Very nice. White tablecloths.
Ooh, fancy.
The waiter comes up to you.
Okay.
You don't say, I want a sandwich.
No, that's rude.
You say, I'd like a sandwich.
Wait. I'd?
Ah, good catch.
Is that would in disguise?
Yes, I'd is just I would hiding.
Sneaky little word.
Ha, very sneaky. I would like a sandwich.
I'd like a sandwich.
Perfect.
What about travel? You mentioned travel earlier.
Yes. Imagine you are looking at pictures of France.
Oh, the Eiffel Tower.
You sigh and you say,
I would love to visit Paris.
excellent.
Because I am not in Paris right now,
Right?
but I really want to be there.
Exactly. Or imagine you are working very hard.
Sweating at my desk.
You look out the window and say, I would love a vacation.
Oh, I say that every Monday.
Don't we all?
So let me get this straight, Adam.
Go ahead.
Often, would shows a desire or preference.
Yes, something you want.
It's like reaching for something in your mind.
That is a great visual.
So would often shows what you would like.
Absolutely. That is the golden rule for part 1.
Okay, that is super easy. I got it.
Are you ready for part 2?
I am born ready. What else can would do?
Well, let's do another imagination exercise.
I love these.
You are carrying 3 heavy boxes.
Oh, wow. My arms are hurting.
You are walking toward a door.
And the door is closed.
Yes, and I am standing right next to the door looking at my phone.
Ugh, typical Adam.
Haha, hey, now you need my help.
Right, I can't open it alone.
Listen to this. Would you help me?
Would you help me?
Yes. How does that sound?
That sounds very polite.
Exactly.
Much better than, open the door, Adam.
Definitely. If you yell at me, I might drop my phone.
Haha, true. So would makes it soft.
Yes, soft and respectful.
Like a soft pillow for your words.
A soft pillow. What a fantastic metaphor, Anna.
Thank you.
So that's part 2. Would as a polite request.
Give me more office examples. This is useful for work.
Okay, picture yourself in a business meeting.
I am wearing my smart jacket.
You need someone to open the window. It's too hot.
Would you open the window, please?
Excellent. Very professional.
What if I have a customer on the phone?
And you need them to wait.
Yes, while I check my computer screen.
You say, would you mind waiting?
Would you mind waiting? Oh, that is so smooth.
It really is. Customer service gold.
And if I have guests at my house?
Would you like some coffee?
Just like the hook of our lesson.
Exactly full circle.
Wow, so would just makes English softer.
And more polite.
It sounds much more professional, too.
Exactly. It changes the entire mood of the conversation.
That makes so much sense now.
So remember, would makes requests sound polite.
Are we ready for part 3?
Yes, and this is the most important part, Anna.
Oh, wow, the grand finale?
Exactly. Part 3 is would for imaginary situations.
Imaginary, like flying cars?
Haha, maybe. Listen to this smart comparison.
My ears are wide open.
Sentence 1. I help people.
Okay, that is a fact. You are a helpful guy.
Sentence 2. I would help people.
Oh, wow, that is different.
Very different.
The second one sounds like a dream.
Exactly. It is imaginary.
It means you are not helping them right now.
True, maybe I don't have time or money.
But in your imagination, you do.
Spot on, Anna.
So it creates a totally different world.
Absolutely. A world in your mind.
Give me another one.
Okay, imagine we are walking past a Ferrari dealership.
Ooh, shiny red cars.
I point to one and say, I would buy that car.
Ah, but your wallet is empty.
Haha, painfully empty.
So you are just imagining having the money.
Exactly. I would buy that car if I was rich.
The if is silent, but I feel it.
Wow, what a brilliant way to say it. The silent if.
Let me try one.
Go for it.
I am looking at a map of Italy.
Beautiful country.
I point to it and say, I would move abroad.
Excellent. Are your bags packed?
No, I'm sitting in my living room in my pajamas.
Exactly. Pure imagination.
What about business? You promised business examples.
Right. Imagine you have a great idea for an app,
Okay, $1 million app idea.
but you don't have the investors yet.
I see. So I say, I would start a business.
Yes, because right now it is just a dream.
I would start a business if I had the funding.
Exactly. The real power of would is imagining possibilities.
It's like a magic wand for sentences.
Totally. Now imagine someone asks you a big question.
Oh, I love big questions.
What would you do if you won $1 million?
Ugh, the ultimate dream question.
Did you win $1 million, Anna?
Let me check my bank app. Nope, still broke.
Me too. So the situation is what?
It's 100% imaginary.
Exactly.
So Wood often talks about imagined situations.
Yes, it creates a hypothetical world.
Hypothetical. That's a big fancy word.
It just means imagined.
So we have 3 big uses now.
Yes, let's do a grand SMART comparison to lock it in.
I am ready for the ultimate test.
Scenario 1. A fact. I like coffee.
That means, in general, coffee is your friend.
Correct. Now preference. I would like coffee.
That means right now you want a cup.
Perfect. Scenario 2. A fact. Can you help me?
That is direct. Just a normal question.
Now, more polite. Would you help me?
That sounds like you are wearing a tuxedo. Very polite.
Tuxedo English. I love it.
It just feels softer.
Yes. And scenario 3, a fact. I buy that house.
That means you are handing over the money right now.
Now, imaginary. I would buy that house.
That means you are just staring at it from the street with no money.
Exactly. Same idea, but a completely different situation.
Would isn't a tense problem, it's a situation problem.
You remembered the golden sentence.
Of course I did. It makes so much sense now.
Are you ready to step into the error lab?
The error lab sounds dangerous.
Put on your safety goggles, Anna. We are fixing mistakes.
Okay, goggles are on. Hit me.
First student mistake. Listen closely.
Listening.
I would like coffee yesterday.
Oh no, that sounds broken.
Very broken. Why?
Because would like is for right now or the future.
Exactly. You can't desire something yesterday.
Yesterday is gone.
So, how do we fix it?
We just use the past tense. I wanted coffee yesterday.
Excellent. The goggles are working.
Haha, yeah. Bring on the next mistake.
Okay, mistake number 2.
I am ready.
Would you like some coffee?
Oh, my ears hurt. Would you likes?
Yes, I hear this a lot.
There is an extra S in there.
Absolutely. Would is a bossy word.
Bossy? How?
It takes the base verb. No S, no ED, no ING.
Ah, so the verb after would is always naked?
A naked verb. Yes, exactly.
So it should be, would you like some coffee?
Perfect fix. You saved the sentence.
Awesome. Give me one more challenge.
Mistake number 3. I can help you.
Oh, wow. Would and can? They are fighting.
They really are. 2 modal verbs crashing into each other.
It sounds like a car crash.
Exactly. You cannot put would and can together.
So how do we fix this disaster?
You just drop the can.
Just, I would help you?
Yes, nice, clean, and imaginary.
Phew, the error lab was intense, but we survived.
You did great, Anna. Now, the most important part.
The final boss?
The real-life dialogue.
Oh, I love acting. Let's do it.
We will combine everything. Desire, politeness, and imagination.
All in one conversation?
Yes, just naturally. No explaining.
Okay, set the scene for me, Adam.
We are sitting in a cozy cafe.
I can smell the roasted beans.
I look at you and say, would you like some coffee?
Yes, I'd love some.
Great, I will order for us.
Thanks, Adam. By the way, what would you do if you could travel anywhere?
I'd visit Japan.
Nice. And would you start a business there?
Maybe. I would love to open a tea shop in Tokyo.
That sounds amazing.
And scene.
Wow, we used it so many times.
Exactly. Did it feel natural?
Totally. It didn't feel like a grammar lesson at all.
Because it wasn't. It was just real life.
Let's look at what we did. Would you like some coffee?
Polite request.
I'd love some.
Desire and preference.
What would you do if you could travel anywhere?
Pure imagination.
I'd visit Japan.
Imaginary result.
Would you start a business there?
Another imaginary situation.
I would love to open a tea shop.
Imaginary preference. See how they all blend together?
It is like a beautiful dance.
A beautiful dance of words. I love your metaphors today, Anna.
Thank you. I am just so excited that I finally understand this.
It is a great feeling, right?
It really is. I don't feel scared of wood anymore.
That is the goal. Let's do a quick mental summary.
To lock it in the brain forever.
Exactly. First, would equals.
Desire, like I would love a vacation.
Second, would equals.
Polite request, like would you open the door?
Third, would equals.
Imaginary situation, like I would buy a Ferrari.
You nailed it.
So simple, just 3 main situations.
Exactly. Here is the golden summary sentence.
Drum roll, please.
Would shows what you want, ask politely, or imagine.
Would shows what you want, ask politely, or imagine. I am writing that down.
Frame it and put it on your wall.
I totally will, right next to my picture of Paris.
Perfect. You did an amazing job today, Anna.
Thanks, Adam. You made it so easy to visualize.
That is the power of painting pictures with words.
Honestly, I feel like an advanced speaker now.
You sound like one too.
Ah, stop it. You are making me blush.
Now we have a challenge for our amazing listeners.
Ooh, homework, but the fun kind.
Exactly. We want to see if you mastered would today.
So what do they need to do, Adam?
Go down to the comments right now.
Grab your keyboards.
Write one sentence using would like for a desire.
Like ordering a coffee or dreaming of a vacation.
Yes, and write a second sentence using would in an imaginary situation.
Like what you would do with $1 million.
Exactly. We will read them and give you a heart.
I can't wait to see the creative answers.
Me neither.
So if this lesson helped you understand would,
Don't forget to subscribe.
subscribe to the Talk Anna podcast for more easy English lessons every week.
Keep imagining, keep practicing, and we will see you next time.